Colors name, kids, beautiful colors name, and 2D shapes, heart, pentagon, cylindrical, rectangle, rounded square, circle. Kids, shapes name and colors name. First, colors name: yellow color, pink color, red color, light green color, sky blue color, orange color, blue color, brown color, and light pink color. Kids, shapes drawing: green color, heart, pentagon, cylindrical, rectangle, rounded square. Yes, rounded square, circle. Kids, color wheel, green color, heart, red color, kids, pentagon, kids, pentagon, blue color, cylindrical, brown color, rectangle, it's a rectangle, purple color, rounded square, pink color, circle, heart, pentagon, cylindrical, rectangle, rounded square, circle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.